CBSE 12th Standard English Comprehension Chapter 2 presented by RRAVIKRISHNAN. CBSE 12th Standard English Comprehension Second Chapter. Many students waste time reading the passage blindly first. Try this method instead. Before reading the passage, skim through the questions. Underline keywords, names, dates, specific terms, or core concepts. The first read skimming. Brain actively searches for these answers while reading. Central theme, the author tone, how the paragraphs are structured. Do not get stuck on the difficult words. Keep moving. The second read scanning. Bracket or lightly pencil mark the potential answer in your question paper. Drafting the answers. Match the tense used in the questions. Past tense, right answer, past tense. Be direct and concise. State the point directly rather than beating around the bush. Do not copy paste entire sentences directly from the passage. Copying verbatim shows a lack of understanding. Instead, rephrase the sentence structure while keeping the core technical or thematic words intact. Tips: write grammatically correct sentences. Underline keywords if allowed. Avoid spelling mistakes. Don't copy entire paragraphs. Tips: be precise and relevant. Main idea and theme. Write grammatically correct sentences. Avoid spelling mistakes. Use simple English. Be precise and relevant. Answer to the point. Tips: inference and tone. Author's purpose and implicit meaning. Maintain correct tense. Do not use pronoun. What does the phrase suggest? Find a word similar to. Do not write unrelated points. Tips: write relevant points. Write keywords from questions. Read passage twice. Underline important lines. Answer in simple English. Be precise. Check grammar, spelling. Manage time carefully. Write keywords from questions. Read passage twice. Underline important lines. Answer in simple English. Be precise. Check grammar, spelling. Manage time carefully. What can be inferred from the line? Give suitable reason. Answer in your own words. Read questions first, then read passage. Underline important points. Write short and exact answers. Recheck grammar and spelling. Writing only what is asked. Direct factual details. Vocabulary in context, not dictionary meaning. Inference and tone. Author's purpose and implicit meaning. Sample questions. What does the phrase suggest? Choose the correct option based on the passage. Find a word similar to. What can be inferred from the line? Give a suitable reason. Answer in your own words. Write brief answers. Exam strategy. Read questions first. Do not write long stories. Then read passage. Write only what is asked. Underline important points. Avoid one word answers unless asked. Because tired. He stopped because he was tired. Write short and exact answers. Recheck grammar and spelling. Short and clear answers. Manage time carefully. Check spelling and grammar. Why? Because main reason. How, by what direct point. Never start an answer with he, she, or they. If the question uses proper nouns, say the narrator felt instead of he felt. If a multiple choice questions, assertions, reasoning question is confusing, you eliminate the two obviously wrong option first. Don't spend more than 60 seconds stuck on a single objective question. Move on and come back later. Do not copying full paragraph. Do not write unrelated points. Do not write grammar mistake. Do not miss keywords from question. Do not use slang or SMS language. Do not copy the whole passage. Do not write unnecessary details. Knowledge derives understanding. Understanding derives application. To be continued. Thank you very much.